Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create a Klarna one-time card so you can shop online with ease. First of all, open the Klarna app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from your app store and sign in or create an account. Once you are in the app, tap the shopping tab at the bottom. Scroll down until you see the option for one-time card. Now select the store where you want to shop. If the store isn't listed, you can enter the website URL directly. Next, Klarna will ask you to set a spending limit for the card, which is the amount you plan to spend at the store. Make sure the amount matches what you need for your purchase. Once you set the limit, Klarna will generate a virtual one-time card with a card number, expiration date, and CVV code. You can use this card and check out just like a regular card or debit card, and that's it. After your purchase, Klarna will automatically split your payment into installments. Your one-time card can only be used for this specific transaction, giving you extra security. Thanks for watching.